Hi everyone, welcome to Python tutorial series. In you are now new to programming or what to start your career in tech, you're in the right place. In today's video, we will understand what Python is, why it is so popular, and where it is used in the real world. So let's get started. In this video, we are going to explore Python language. In this, Python language is the one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly programming language. In this Python, there is a several topics, subtopics there. First topic about the basic introduction and functions, data structures, OOPS concept, exception handling, and database handling. First, we going go through into basic introduction. In basic introduction, there is a first topic about introduction of Python, and second topic about variables, third topic about input and output, and next operators, keywords, and data types, and conditional statements and loops. Now we going into the introduction of Python. What there in introduction Python, why we use Python is very important. All this kind of stuff is now studying known into the this topic. Okay. Now we're going into the introduction of the Python. Firstly, Python is a simple and easy to understand language and feels good like reading simple English. In this pseudocode nature is easy to learn and understand by beginners. In pseudocode means that we write the code line to line, that is called as a pseudocode. Okay. In Python supports multiple programming like procedural programming, object-oriented programming, and functional programming. This all kind of programming are learning further topics. Okay. Next one is why Python is important compared to the other language. In this easier to understand, Python syntax is similar to the English. English and how English conversations are going on. So in this Python language, human and computer language conversation like is English to English, make it easier to understand, right? Compared to like C, C++, and Java. In this Python, mainly helpful is the their rich libraries like NumPy and Pandas in data science, TensorFlow and PyTorch in machine learning, Django and Flask in building and web development, and OpenCV is in the computer vision. And it has a high productivity and versatility in almost every domain like web development, data science, artificial intelligence, automation, development, cybersecurity, IoT, and backend development. And next benefits of Python: readability and simplicity. This first one, and large standard libraries. We also learn about this, and also cross-platform. It runs on Windows, MacBook, Linux, and even also mobile device also. Interpreted language. Interpreted means no need of compilation and code runs immediately. We write the code and it automatically compile and give the correct output for us. And excellence for rapid development. Startup and companies like to use Python because it speed up development. Okay. Suitable for beginnings. Recommended for the first programming language for students. Because Python syntax is very simple and easy to understand, is all kind of there. So Python is the best recommending first programming language for the students. And next, strong support for the artificial intelligence machine learning. Python domains machine learning and data science fields supports very well. Okay. Okay. Next topic about variables. So Okay, next topic about variables. In this variables topic, we're going into the. I prepared one short notes about in this variable in VS Code. Okay, what is a variable? Variable defined as a variable are used to store data that can be referenced and manipulated during programming. Okay, in this shortly known about what is a variable. Shortly, x is equal 5, x is a variable. Sorry, this is reference, also called as identifier. Okay, x is called as variables and also called as identifiers. Fi- and 5 is called as literals. A variable is essentially a name test is assigned to a variable. X is we kept a name for that value. In this variable condition, variables has some condition rules like variable name can contains only alphabets and digits and underscore. A variable name can only starts with alphabets and underscore. Okay, a variable cannot start with a digit. In this, no while space is all allowed to use inside a variable name. For example, we write in first one there is a one contains alphabets, digits, and underscore. In this, we start with alphabets using underscore and digits. All this is one. And this also a second one is a variable name can only starts with alphabets and underscore. In this first one, you start with underscore. In second one, start with alphabet. Third one, start with alphabets. A variable cannot start with a digits. It did not start with a digit like 1 2 3 Lohit, 1 2 dash slash Lohit, 1 slash 1 underscore fine, like that. No while space is allowed to use inside a variable name. Is a find space dot space down space Lohit. In this, there is a space between fine and down. Down and Lohit, there is a space. So this type of assigning is not applicable for the variable assigning. Is not assigned like variable. Okay. In this we know how to assign the variable. What is a variable? We learn that. Now, if one main topic is process of process of execution of Python, that is called interpret. What is a interpret? Interpret converts your Python code into a machine understandable language. In this, we write a code. What is mean by interpret? First one, interpret. What is mean by interpret? This it converts your Python code into a mission understandable. But mission understandable instruction step by step at a runtime. What is mean by interpret? In this, it converts your code into a mission understandable instruction step by step and run its time. In this, there is a four categories. That in first category is First category is your code. Write your code. And second one is enter interpreted. Reads the code first first line. And third point is converts the code line into bytecode. Fourth one is PMV. PMV means Python Virtual Machine. And fifth one is moves to next line. Okay, this five process done in this Python execution works. Your code right interprets reads the first line, convert the code line into the bytecode format. That it goes to the PVM. What PVM does I discuss now, and after move to the next line. Okay, this entire process is done in cyclic process. So we know this is the entire Python process. Python code compile process. Okay. Now, what is it we know about interpreted means and how the Python code process done, and we go to the in detail in this. Okay. First, we take one. This is a source code. Source code means write a code in line by line format. So we take some code like this is a source code. It's stored in .py file. .py file. Okay. This source code goes into a compiler. It goes into the compiler. Okay. In this compiler, there is a few kinds of steps in this. First one is compiler, and second one is convert to the bytecode format, and third one is PV. What is this one? Compiler, and next one. What is this called? Bytecode. We do bytecode means is a set of instruction go through in a mission. It converts the code into the mission understandable format instruction. It converts, and third one is PVM, and last runs the code. Last one is running code. We shortly now explain about the process of this all process we now call as inside process, not outside. This inside process we call as interpreted. Okay. First we store we write code in .py file. It goes compile. He compile it compiler goes line by line format. It converts into a bytecode. Bytecode means it is a set of instructions given through an PVM. PVM means we going through Python visual machine. It understands the bytecode and converts into the human understandable language and runs the code and gives our result. This process is going through in how Python code works and runs it. And now and this interpreter reads the code into the code next line of your code. It converts into the bytecode format, and Python visual machine executes the bytecode. It repeats move to the next line and repeats the cycle format. Like take the source code and it take first line of the code and converts the bytecode format and goes to the PVM. It executes the first line and give the output, and also going through a source code second line. It compiles into the bytecode format and execute in the PVM and give the output. Like a cyclic process. Third line compile the bytecode and go into a PVM and execute and give the output. Like that, this all process and done in the cyclic process. It is a step by step loop process. Okay, it repeats the continuous process. It takes in it only going in a line by line format only. First we go through a first line. It converts to the bytecode format and goes through a PVM. It executes it and any give this output to the running code. Okay, this all process going in a cyclic process only. In this we take one example. For example, in this source code, there a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20, and print. In this I explain what the print and going through in this. Okay, in this first one going through first line what is there, a is equal to 10. Okay, it going through first line a is equal to 10. It compiles into the bytecode a is equal to 10. It compiles to the bytecode and goes through in a PVM and it converts execution. And second one is b is equal to b is equal to 20. Now it goes second line, b is equal to 20. It goes to the bytecode conversion to bytecode and go through in PVM. A PVM executes and give the execution. And next print a with a plus b. Print a b goes through in it converts into the bytecode format. It with the instruction PVM executes and give the output. This all process and go in a cyclic process. Line by line source code take into the it converts into the bytecode format and gives the PVM converts it and executes and give the output for us in the Python visual machine. Okay, next topic is input and output. What is an what is an input and what is an output. In this, you take a variables, we assign any value to it. It is an input value through and output means the education part how to display in this in going through in it. Next topic about the input and output. What is an input? Input means giving data to a program. The program receives information from the user. The user give the information details what we enter in going through in a input format. What is an output? Output means showing data from the program to the user. Execution process complete. It display to a user what output generated from the execution process. They going through what is the input output, how to assign it in the code format. In this input taken from the user, input is a command that assign in a bracket format. In this we want to something address, enter your name. What is this enter your name? I write in the input. It is displayed to an user. What what should we enter that command lines generate to an user. This input what input we assign to a value, and in this learn about the what is a variable. Variable are the user to store data that can be referenced and manipulated during programming. We enter the value in this input value. It's going to the data where they store. So we assign a one variable name. It directly going through an enter value going through a name. Okay. This is a input. What is an output? Output it is generate. It means show data from the programming to the user. We enter this one. We want to print a hello guys. My name is Lohit. I want to enter my name is Lohit as the input. That statement want to print this. So this is a print statement. Output means output means print. And this write any statements in double quotes. Okay. So I write in the print statement. Hello guys. My name is. We assign the value input as a Lohit. So we write as a name as in this. Display it display your input value in this print statement. So we now execute it. What is compiled? Enter your name. I want to enter. My name is Rohit. So it compiles. Hello guys, my name is Rohit. 3.14 is one. This is one example. I want to command line. No, I execute one more time. So what is my name? Rohit. Hello guys, my name is Rohit. It is comes through. Hello guys, my name is. I enter my name is Rohit. So it print directly as Rohit. So it takes user through input and print the name generated the our output. Okay. In this the one is comment statements. First one is single comment uh, denote with this. In multiple comments denote with this. In this affect it does not affect the code while compiling process. Okay. And next topic is operators. The first operator is arithmetic operator. In this arithmetic operators plus minus star division and relational operators less than greater than less than or equal to greater than or equal to logical operations and or not bitwise operations. And this is all operation we want in now execute and execute it. In this variable concept we assign same variable to the three same value in same value as in one variable x is equal 5, x is equal low 8, x is equal 3.14. Now we want to print the x value. Which value is print 5 or low 8 or 3.14. So we now executed it print only 3.14. It takes a recent assigned value for the variable. It print the value. So first we print 5, x is equal to 8, after x is equal to 3.14. The JVM takes PVM Python with a visual machine. It takes recent as x value assigned, that is 3.14. So it print x is equal to 3.14. Okay, I understood. You understood it. And now we do operators. First operator is arithmetic operator. In this arithmetic operator, firstly we take a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4. In this arithmetic operator, what is an arithmetic operator? Plus, minus, division, solve operations there in arithmetic operation. In this arithmetic operation, we going through as an a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4. Okay, so you want to sum this both one. So c is equal to a plus b. So you want to print this sum value, print c. So we execute it. In this we compile it. Operation not defined. Operation not defined. If you want to, so 5 plus 4 is 9. Like that, we want to print directly. We did not give another variable. We directly want to print in the print statement a plus b. It goes again 9. So in this arithmetic operations, you like to print a minus b and print a into b, print a divided b, and print a modulus b. So a modulus b means quotient. In this we print only one value. Okay, a plus 4, a plus b is equal to means 5 plus 4 value 9, 5 minus 4 value 1, 5 into 4, 5 4s are 20, value 20, 5 by 5 value is equal to 1.25. 5 the 5 divided by 4, but modulus means quotient value. Quotient means we divide 5, 5 divided by 4, 4 ones are 4 means so is equal to 1 is a quotient. So one value they print in this module. Okay. Next one is relational operators. So same like that, a is equal to 5, p is equal to 4. In this relational operators, there is less than, greater than. In this, ఇప్పుడు a is equal to 5, b is equal to 4, 5 less than or equal to 5 less than 4. Is it true or false? It print in this. So like print a less than b. So what should it print? It print false. This all want to comment it. What should it print? False. 5 less than 4. It is a false statement. So same like that, print a greater than b. What should it print? True, because 5 greater than 4, because 5 is a last one. Same like that, all pro and also print same like that, b is equal to 5 also. What should it print? Is a false. Is 5 less than is equal to 5 is a false statement. Say in this case we write this, print a less than or equal to b. This it gives true, because 5 is equal to 5 is a true statement. Same like all operations, print a greater than or equal to b. In this going through true. Okay. And what about a equal to b? In this one case, a is equal to b means 5 is equal to b, and means a is equal to b is true, it gives true. Otherwise it goes to false statement. And next, print is equal to a not equals to b. It is a false statement, because 5 is equal to 5, so it is a false statement going through. Okay. And next, relational operation. Next, logical operations. What is and what is or and not? We going through. You will learn about uh, truth table, and truth table or truth table. We will recall it through in this truth table. In this condition, a less than equal to b, this statement is true. This statement is false. Like say example I given through. Truth table means for and or. First we going through and through table. In this uh, in these two cases, a is in a one variable, b is in two second variable. A is true, b is true. It gives output true. Okay, a is true, b is false. It gives false. A is false, b is true. It also false. A is false, b is false. It goes to false. This table is n table. If a statement A is true, statement B is false, in between a and b two statements. This is one statement, a less than b. In this condition, we want to apply two or three statements. So I want to give and a and b two statements. True and true statements give true. True and false statement false. False and true false. False and false false. This is a n table. In two statements, we want to apply or a b statement. First go through true true. This is also true. True false and also false. False false also false. And next one false is true. Is it true? Is one condition only false and false, it equals to false. Okay, true in the and operation, true is equal to true, true false is false, false true true, false also false. You not assign it. Okay, is a true statement and this want to execute in a conditional operation. So we learn this and then or operations. Not means if true is becomes false, false is become true. So we're going through what is a bitwise and bitwise operator. Going through let's take about 10. In this we want to write in a binary format. How we write binary format 10 is going through a 4 order. First through 2 power 0 and next through 2 power 1, 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, like that. Means explain through what this 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. This is 2 power. Means 2 power 0 what? 2. 2 power 1, 2. 2 power 2, 4. 2 power 3, 8. Like that we assign. We want to display 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 1, 0, 1, 0. 2 power 0 is 1. Sorry. 1, 0, 1, 0. So and another number want to assign 5 in binary format. So 4 plus 1. So 0, 101, and also like 8 1000 and 12. 8 plus 4 is 12, so 1100 and 15. 8 plus 4 means 12. 12 plus 2 4 14 15 and means 1111. This is the last. 15 is a biggest number we assigned 4 digit. In going through, it's a binary number is lost 8 digits. So we going through the 15 is the last binary number. So going through a AND operation. So if we assign A is equal to 10, B is equal to 6. So we go through print into AND operation. Symbol is this one. OR operation symbol is this one. So A and B. A and B and print A or B. So is go through what is the binary format of 10? 1 0 1 0. What is the binary format of 6? 1 so 0 0 1 1 0. So 0 means where in this? 0 means false and 1 means true. So we going through what is print 1 0 and operation. 1 means true, 0 means false. So true and false. True and false is go through first one true and false and true, false and true, false and true. So sorry, false and true, false. So and operation only true is true, method false. Okay, and false, true and false, false, false and true, false, true and true, true, false and false, false. Is a AND operator. It converts in number binary format. What is a false 0, false 0, true 1, false 0. Okay. The next one is OR operation. It going through true and false true, only false method it remaining all true. True and false true, false and true, true, true and true, true, false and false, false. Going through converted. It is a OR operation. It converts binary format 1110. This is the output for that. So we want to execute it. So execute it. What go through 0010. What is this? Two value 1114. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. 14. It gives 20 this. Okay. And operation this or operation this. And next one is uh, not operation. Not operation symbol is not there in this sentence. Okay. And next symbol there. This is symbol for the not. Not a means 10 through minus 11. Print not operation for B. Minus how not operation works. It converts into 10 into minus 10, minus 10, minus 1. Minus 10, minus 1. And next minus 6, minus 1. It implies goes through minus 7, goes to minus 7. Okay, it completes and next go through a left shift. In left shift, A left 1. What should you print in this? Present student 20. So we what is the A value? 10. 10 we recognize 1010. Okay, one step front forward, so 1101. So we go through 10100. So 8 2 power 4 16, 16 plus 4 20. So in this 16 8 4 2 1. So in this 16 plus 4 is equal to 20. Print A greater than 1. In this 10 go through a left side. Okay, 0 1 0 1. Okay, 8 4 2 1. And this 4 plus 1. This one is 5. So what should we execute in this? Let's see. Okay, 20 and 5. Okay, what is this is a bitwise operations completed. And next one is logical operation, bitwise operation. Okay, it's all go through in this. Okay, the operation topic is completed. Want to comment this.